Hello, ma'am. Masaya pa lang. Hello, sir.
Pachut talaga ka na yung pachut.
Yeah.
So you're not tired at all, ah? Tulog Ate George. Ay, baby. Baby. At may bago eh. Galing, no? Georgie, nasa gilid pa na tayo ng water park. This is new.
This new?
Yeah, this is new.
Where's the water park?
We were not here last time. Oh. Parang
Parang
gawa nga daw
ginagawa
to.
ata to.
Ginagawa lang to last time, no? Ganda, oh. So nice. Ganda, no?
That's the water park?
Yeah. Wow. Bago to eh, no? Hindi, I don't think this is a playroom.
Pero play area.
Hi!
Mas malaki na siya.
You're happy, Pachot? Baby, baby. Wow. Complimentary drinks for you.
Complementary.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Para sa ikaluluwang happy.
Sira ulo ka. Brave boy naman talaga yung baby niya. Galing-galing, napakatapang.
That's our room before. Yan o, di ba? May garden kasi yung harap.
Dito pa rin yung pinaka-main na restaurant.
Yes, ma'am. Yan po yung breakfast and dinner natin.
Nasira ang bubong ng dati eh, no?
Okay na po ngayon, ma'am.
Ang huling punta namin, katatapos na ng bagyo.
Opo, nakarecover na po. Po yung fire dance natin.
Mamaya may fire dance ba, kuya?
Yes, ma'am, meron po.
Wow.
nagsiswimming eh. Kasi doon yung park na natin.
Dito po may volleyball and badminton.
Wow.
Dito lang po, may security guard tayo dyan na nagbabantay. Dyan lang po matitira ng gamit.
Oh, there's a seesaw. There's so many
Sisa, babe, oh.
Pwede mong hirap.
Bago to.
Pwede rin spike.
May kaba-kaba na.
Ayan, ito atin. Okay naman pala.
Okay naman pala eh. Mas beachfront siya.
Oo. Kasi merong option doon. Eh, namili ako, sabi ko dito lang.
Wow. Diba? Mas ano, mas beachfront. Mas maganda.
Pwede ba
There's two. Okay, your room first.
ribbon cutting?
Remove your shoes, babe. Ganda. Open the light. Open the light.
It's all to ourselves?
Yeah.
For you, ate and Tito Jen.
Dito, Junjun. Si Pochot sa amin para walang storbo kay Daddy. Gusto ko masolo ni Daddy eh. Ah. Wow.
You said there's two vanities. Maybe the other
Oh,
side.
nice. The
Nice,
is so
ah.
room. The nice is so room.
Wow.
Nice so. Kompleto pa rin ako pala yung gamit.
So, they can come to our, the other room is ours. There.
Oh,
Ayan, zero mo na,
oh,
Zoe.
dali. Puntahan niyo na yung ano yun.
Wow.
Ah, walang bathtub.
Oo, walang bathtub.
Nasa amin ang bathtub.
Wala rin, pare-pare.
Sabi meron sa atin. Let's eat na.
Let's check our room. Pachut.
You're so happy, so we, George. Don't fight, ha? Laki na ng kama niyo, mag-aaway pa kayo. Rich, ang ganda.
Yan yung pag-open eh.
Sira.
Two vanity.
Oh.
That's master's bedroom.
Oh, may naman sa kanya.
Ah, we have table. You don't...
Kami yung kama.
Daddy, meron silang couch doon sa atin.
Mami, happy birthday.
Para talaga sa'yo. Wow! Oo, ano?
Birthday, Miss Celeste.
Miss Celeste. Miss Celeste talaga.
Hindi, sakto lang. Mami. Kasi sila may couch at tayo may table.
Oo nga, kasi...
Ay, ano yung birthday cake mo?
Oo nga eh.
Wow.
And you make me feel that
Birthday, ma'am.
Aya, may bathtub tayo. Sorry, Zoe.
Take a bath.
Itsura ni Zoe. Zoe, we have a
Ay,
bathtub.
naka-connecting naman yan.
Let me take a bath here.
Bakit dito? May sarili kayo eh.
I don't want it. Please.
I don't want there ka dyan.
Please. Wait, let me take a bath here sometimes.
Okay. Oh, how do you open this? Nice ah, nice. Oh, high ceiling. Yung dati naman maganda rin eh.
Stove.
Oh, dati nga maganda na.
Dati nga
Stove. Oh, touch. Why?
induction yan, babe.
Yes, please.
Mommy, it's a light.
Ayun na, open na natin yung connecting, babe.
So we can visit Ate Wawo.
Wow.
Oh, so 2 big rooms.
Wow,
But
nice.
Ate Wawo doesn't have a bath.
Sabi ko sa'yo, daddy, ay hindi, meron silang kitchen din.
Sila kasi, I know na what's the difference.
The difference, anong difference natin?
Yung sa sa inyo, nasa
May table din naman sila. Which one do you like better, George?
This one.
Ours? Of course. Which one do you like better? Theirs or ours? This. Malaki ang rep nila?
buo.
Oo nga, no. Malaki.
25 piece ng yellow dito.
Gagawa ng yelo.
Welcome po.
you.
Have a nice day po.
Thank you. May bed pala, oh. Dito na si ano.
I figured it out.
Dun sa taas eh.
Georgie figured it out.
I cannot pull it back.
Chut, nice. Chut. Nice. Sumayong. Hello, hello, hello. Watch.
Watch the dance.
Ay, wala. Ayaw pa kabog siya. Palabas-labas nila pa eh, oh. Tapos pa lang uso, oh. Ayun, oh, oh.
Dangerous. There's a swimming pool, ha?
Galing.
Swimming pool. Just watch lang.
Ay, na human drone. Ganda na niya, oh. Let's put this.
Good.
Wow, what are you doing there? Wow.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, may playmate ka na?
Apple.
What's her name?
Apple.
Apple. Wow.
Tandaan niyo.
Friendly ka talaga. Oh, you wanna play PSP, oh? Ano gusto mo dyan? Ayan, ang dami pa anak ko. Monopoly, hindi na matatapos yan hanggang bukas na yan. Jenga? Oh, sige. Jenga tayo? Sige. Saan ka naman mo? Eh, ang galing naman ang drawing. Very nice naman. Good job.
Bagsakit.
Napaka-supportive mo, Dad.
Bagsakit. Bagsakit.
Huwag kang ano. Eh, paano? Ah! Bagsak yan. Oo, pasmado.
Bawal?
Bawal.
The one that you're removing.
Bawal. Ay, inaalalayan ang daya.
Hindi, pwede mo lang hawakan yan, yan tinatanggal.
Daya.
Ano ba ito tula?
Bagsak yan.
Georgie, ah.
Dadaya
Bagsak
niya
yan.
eh.
Bagsak. Wow.
Oh.
George, your turn.
Bagsak yan. Jar!
Laki mata mo.
Laki ng mata oh. Si Ate Wawo na magpapabagsak. Bring it down. You can do it.
Daddy, kamusta?
Pasmado ka talaga, Daddy.
Wow.
Galing ni George, ah. Sahing ka pala nagmana sa ganyan, ah.
I accidentally touched some. Mommy, look what I
Wait,
did.
wait, wait. Teka, matatalo na si Ate George, eh. This is so hard. Until here, right?
Until the third.
Di ba ako tumitira? Ikaw kasi!
Mommy, come on, look at this.
Nabarang mo na ako. Tira ko para sa'yo, Sol. Ipaghiganti kita kay Daddy.
Okay. Pag online nyo ka-encounter me, but for this one, no.
Wow! Alam mo tambay sa kanto eh. I'll avenge you. I'll avenge you.
Oh, magic oh. Magicero oh. Ba? Magic. Ba? Kala mo, arkitekto. Oh! Nice. Nice.
Ayusin mo yan. Wow! Ang yabang. Wag, hindi ganyan, hindi ganyan. Hindi rin ako marunong na ni.
Wow.
Oh! Ayun na. Don't shoot. Ay! Di shoot pareha. Ayos. Magaling ka talaga. Shoot naman eh. Parehas nga lang.